Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. We all know what time it is. It is almost time for the Super Bowl. Everybody's excited about the Super Bowl. So I thought I'd give y'all a little recipe to share. If you're having a Super Bowl party, or honey, if you just by yourself at the house, honey, this is good. And this is a crab rangoon dip, a hot dip. Me and James Russell, we love us some dips, don't we, baby?
Absolutely.
We do. And I love hot dips. So we are going to try to recreate this crab rangoon. And it looks like a lot of little goodies and stuff, but it's going to go together so quick. Now, I have started. Y'all can tell what I did, right?
Yeah, I know what you did.
What did I do?
You bought that bougie cream cheese.
I didn't do the Philadelphia.
Yep.
All right. But I went ahead. I said, I'm not going to be on the struggle bus in front of everybody. Jesus. I'm just open this up.
But at least she admitted, y'all.
Yes,
right.
I did.
But she got it cheap. Hey,
It's $1.50.
It's been tightwad. You know, we've been
That's
tightwad.
right, honey. I live that way all the time.
That's
I'm
right.
always
She
looking for
always
bargains.
shops that way, and I don't do it. I just get it.
He don't.
Nope.
Anyway, so I guess you get what you pay for. The
That's
cream
right.
cheese is still delicious. It's
It
the
is.
Walmart.
It tastes just as good.
It does.
You just don't struggle.
You just have.
Now, I will say, let me just say,
Go ahead.
if you're smoking cream cheese,
Yeah.
buy Philadelphia cream cheese.
Yeah.
Because it does much better smoking, and it stays creamy when you smoke it, and it does not melt.
There's your tip.
Do not buy bougie. Don't skimp on your cream
Okay.
cheese if you're going to smoke.
Well, we are going to be baking this, so it's going to be quite all right. In fact, it's probably better if you have warm cream cheese. This is room temperature. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting my little ingredients in here. I'm going to use this spoon for other stuff, so I'm going to dig up in my garlic first. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of garlic in here, you know. Maybe, yeah, that'll be enough. And I've got some soy sauce here. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of soy sauce.
Yummy.
Yummy. And you know, soy sauce, you know what, it always goes hand in hand with some Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
We're going to do a teaspoon of that. I'll get into it right here, like so. 1 teaspoon of this. Boom. And we're just getting in all these flavors. We are going to put our mayonnaise in here. 1/2 cup of Dukes, or whatever kind of mayonnaise you want. Go ahead and get that in there. And I'm going to use the same little measuring for my sour cream. All right, we need 1/2 cup of the sour cream as well. So that looks about right. A little bit more. All right, sour cream in. Right, throwing stuff. All right, now we are going to put in. It calls for 4 green onions, the whole stem, the white and the green part. I'm going to save some though. I'm not going to put all this in here because you want to save some for the top.
Make it look pretty.
Make it look pretty. Real prettiful. All right. Now, I've got some mozzarella cheese. You can do Monterey Jack if you like, but I'm doing some freshly shredded mozzarella, and we're going to use about 1 cup of that in there. I know I've got more. I just got to grinding it, honey, shredding it up, and just did. All right, now we've got some crab. Now it calls for 10 ounces of crab, and this was half of this bag because it is a 20 ounce. So it was 8 sticks of this fancy crab meat.
Supremo.
Yes. And
Supremo crab. Look,
yes,
Supremo.
Russell.
Yep.
Yeah, he's laughing at my crab meat.
Hey.
Anyway.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be good. That's right. So I've got 8 of those sticks in here. We're going to just dump it in. Now, honey, if you got some fresh crab meat.
Do your thing.
Yes, by all means, do it up.
Yeah.
But I didn't have any. So, I'm trying to get all this stuff off. Okay, now we're going to give this a little mixy mix.
I'm going to back up where I don't get it.
You don't get splattered.
Don't get a little mixy mix on me.
All right, we got this all mixed up. It's looking good. Look at there.
Ooh, creamy.
Yummy. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more there because I'm not going to use all those for the top. And that is some good flavor. Give it another little mix. Now, this is optional, but it is suggested strongly. Some sriracha. Now, I'm going to do about a teaspoon of that. I love the flavor of sriracha. I know you're probably thinking, oh, you said, and I did a healthy teaspoon. I know you're probably thinking, oh, that's hot.
It's really funny to me that some things that she will absolutely just take to the spicy. And then other things that aren't even really spicy that she'll be like, it's like I can't take it. It's weird. It's weird how spice affects her. It really is.
It's weird to me as well. I'm going to get all this sriracha off this and then I'm going to give it a little taste. It might need a little more. Who knows?
But sriracha is one of the spicy things that I think is.
Tastes good,
it's got spice, but to her, she loves it. She absolutely will. Just...
It is. It's not spicy at all. It's really not. All right, now got all that in there. See how quick this come together?
Yeah.
Quick as quick can be. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese though.
Can't go wrong.
No, fluff it up just a little bit. All. And I have got me a little casserole dish back there.
I see it.
That I just sprayed it with my little olive oil sprayer, my little Flairosol that we love.
Yeah.
She back there, my little chicken dish James Russell got me. And we are going to just put this right in here. Like so. It's got such good flavor. It really does. I'll give it a little spread in a minute after we get all this goodness out. We ain't trying to waste nothing.
No, we ain't.
I hope y'all are ready for the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl.
Yep. Let's get that out the way back there. Now we saved some of that cheese because we're going to be putting more cheese on top. Imagine that.
Imagine.
I could probably went with just a little bit of smaller dish.
I think it looks pretty good.
I think it does too. I'm just going to spread it out here. We're going to top it with some more of that goodness.
Ooh-wee.
That little cheese right there.
Man, I think that's going to be yummy.
It is going to be delicious. Now when it comes out, we're not done with it. It comes out, we're going to put some of that sweet chili sauce on top. That's going to just...
Next level.
Yes.
Next level.
Take it right over the top, honey.
I'm all about next level. Super Bowl ought to be next level.
Yes.
Yep.
Don't skimp on it.
Nah.
Listen, I love dip. It don't even have to be a Super Bowl.
I know.
It don't have to be nothing
We always
special.
do. Ball games, we do dip. We always kind of
do
have
it
something
up.
going on
We
during
do.
ball games. We really do.
Yep, we do.
That's the thing.
So I am going to put this in the oven for about 25, 30 minutes, something like that. And while this is a baking and doing, I have got some low carb. I just cut some low carb tortilla strips up. And I'm going to fry these.
I've been doing the low carb thing, y'all.
Yeah, he's trying to watch his little carbs.
I'm trying to do good.
So, but anyway, I'm going to fry these up. They're going to be nice and crispy, but you can use wonton strips, tortilla chips. You can do whatever you want in this. But while this is cooking, I'm just going to fry these in a little bit of oil and make my own. So, we'll be right back when this is done. Ooh, look at there, look at there. Look at that.
Oh, man.
Yummy. Yumminess right there. I got to finish it off though.
Yeah. Next level, y'all.
Next
Super
level.
Bowl.
Here we go.
It's the Super Bowl of crab dips.
And I
Crab Rangoon.
Hope I don't just plop it all on here.
Supremo. Supremo for the Super Bowl.
He's laughing at my crabs still.
Hey, man. I'm ready to throw down on this.
Yes.
I'm ready to get down with it.
All
Man,
right.
look at you all fancy.
Nah, not fancy.
Come on.
Got us a little green onion, honey.
Ooh. Man.
There
Looky
we
here.
go.
Looky.
Boom.
Pow.
Pow. There it is. And I got got us some little chips done up. A little low carby.
Low carby. Low carby Barbie.
Yeah. Look at
All
that.
right. I'm ready to do it.
All right.
I'm excited.
Okay. I'm excited for you to try it.
All right.
All right, y'all. James Russell's up.
I am ready.
Let's see what he thinks about this crab rangoon dip.
Yeah. Supremo
Supremo.
for the Super Bowl.
If you can get on the chippo.
She's hot.
Piping hot. He going in for another bite.
I'm going to tell you what. That is fantastic.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's not too spicy,
No,
but that
it's great.
sriracha,
It's great.
I would not skip the sriracha. Would you? That sriracha really, really brings it all together.
Next level.
Yes, it does.
Worthy of the Super Bowl.
How about that?
Yeah.
Well, telling you y'all, it looked like a lot of ingredients.
It's
Most
really
things you
good.
would just have on hand. Maybe not the
It's
chili
creamy.
sauce. Yes, it is.
Cheesy.
It is.
And it's got, that seafood flavor, even though it's fake.
It's got that
Hey,
crab.
it's still got the flavor, y'all. It's very good.
It does. It tastes like
Very
a
good.
crab rangoon.
It really does.
Now,
It does.
I will say, this recipe called for a teaspoon of sugar. Because when you get those crab rangoons,
Yeah, how it's got that sweet
it's
taste.
got sweetness,
Yeah.
but I left it out because,
It don't need it.
It does not need it. It don't. But if you want that same creamy sweetness,
The Asian
yeah,
The Asian sauce has got a little sweet to it.
it does. So
And-
it's
and
plenty.
It's got
sweet
plenty
enough.
of sweet to it.
It does. The
The
little chili
little
sauce.
chili sauce has got sweet. It is
Sweet
fantastic.
chili sauce.
It's very good.
That
Very,
sweet
very,
chili
very
sauce.
good.
Don't sleep on that one either. It's
No,
good.
all
it
the
on.
flavors are like bang.
just layers and layers of
yes,
flavors.
it's
The
fantastic.
onions.
Y'all, if you're having a party, even if you ain't having a party, make a party.
But give this one a try. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. And it's not like all fishy tasting.
No,
or nothing.
no,
It's just
no.
got that
Very
little bit of
mild,
crab.
very mild. It's
I'm
very
telling you, it tastes just like the crab rangoon.
It does. It really does.
It does, minus some of the sugar. But if you want to add that 1 teaspoon of sugar, honey, you go for it. But like I said, he's watching a little bit of his carbs, so we did the carb.
We're trying.
Even the low carb
There's a lot of people
tortillas.
trying, and more power to you. I'm glad
Yes.
you're doing it. Yep.
But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching.
Yeah, you enjoy the Super Bowl?
Enjoy it,
yeah.
honey.
If y'all have a party, let us know what you're having at y'all's party.
Yeah.
Get in the comments. Let us know what you're doing for the Super Bowl. Yeah. What's y'all's favorite part of the Super Bowl? Do you watch the game? Do you have get together? Do you like the Super Bowl? Do you watch the Puppy Bowl? Or do you watch the halftime show? Or what do you watch? What's your favorite part? Let us know.
Or do you even watch?
Or do you even watch? Or do you even care?
Yeah.
Let us know. Get in the comments. Let us know.
Yeah, we are thankful for all the comments. I love
we
reading
are.
all the
Yeah.
little comments and all the sweet words.
Yes.
And thank y'all so much as always.
Yes.
For watching and just being here with us in our kitchen, hanging out with us, honey. We'd share with everybody if we could.
We sure would.
But anyway, all right, y'all. Till next time.
Peace.